Stop snoring tonight by using these tricks. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring, so why doesn't he do something about it? That song was written in the days before effective treatments for snoring, but today there is such a variety of options that it would be silly to just ignore your problem. Read on to find some tips to help you beat the snoring demon once and for all. Keep your weight down to avoid snoring. Body weight doesn't always play a huge role in snoring, however, too much fat in your neck places pressure on the airways, contributing to snoring. If your snoring gets worse after gaining a few pounds, losing them may help. Try not to take any medications that contain sedatives, if you want to stop snoring. Sedatives are known to relax the throat muscles, and when these muscles are too relaxed, snoring occurs. If your medications have sedatives, speak with your doctor about switching to a similar medication that does not have a sedative. If you are overweight, snoring might be a problem. To make that problem stop, lose the excess pounds. Extra weight is stored in many different areas on your body, including in your neck. The fat stored in your neck region causes the throat to constrict, which often results in snoring. When you take off those extra pounds, the snoring will often come to an end. If you suffer from chronic snoring, you may benefit from allergy testing. Allergies can clog the nasal passages and force you to breathe out of your mouth, which causes snoring. Finding out the causes of your allergies allows you to eliminate their sources. Also, you may benefit from taking a prescribed or over-the-counter antihistamine before bed. This video has laid out many simple, effective and affordable options for treating snoring which anyone can get access to. It can be as simple as losing weight or possibly having to buy a CPAP machine, but no matter what, you may be able to find something which works for you if you try out these tips. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.